we नहीं. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing absolutely great. So as you guys know what's this vlog is all about, of course, like by the thumbnail and the title of this video, we are going to Manali. Oh my god, I'm so happy we are going to Manali. I mean, okay, this would just be a regular normal trip people go to, but for me it is more than that. Like honestly, more than that. I was craving for mountains from like last year, and I kid you not, this one is so spontaneous because it was not really planned this way, like that you will be going suddenly and all, but here it is. And I'll try to film everything if possible, if my phone will allow me to, because the storage issue is constant. But anyways, apart from that, let me take you guys to all with me and let's get into it. Firstly, I'll be starting with choosing my clothes because we need to leave today. The bus is at around 11 o'clock, 10:30ish, 11. The bus will leave from Delhi, so we need to hurry up with the things. I have not really done anything, so let's get into it.
Staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me, I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause I still smell you in the bed you used to rest your head on. How the hell am I supposed to see?
So update, I'm actually getting very confused, between what to keep and what not. It's not like what I expected it to be, honestly. So I kept some of my clothes, but I'm not very sure like if I should go with them or not. I don't know, मुझे नहीं पता. Also, I need to keep some things like a bit of makeup, eatables item, and everything will be kept by my mom. And I'll take a book as well with me. And yeah, I think these are pretty much it for yeah.
I wanna wear her sweater and I break down in my room, 'cause there's nothing sweeter than the bitter taste of you. And the bitter taste of you. I'm drunk on Chardonnay that I bought for our picnic day, and we never got to drink it. So I'm writing what I'm thinking you could have told me sooner. I was sure that it.
So we have reached the bus station very early. If I'm audible, it's like we reached 35 minutes early. I think we have to wait like for around 10 to 15 minutes because we are way too early.
In my mind I'm kissing you. Oh, and my dog, she misses you. Can we?
Yes guys, how is your experience so far, Kaku?
It was quite exhausting.
So we basically stopped for a while. It's like around a 30 minutes break for us to have our time. But do you have anything to say? Papa, do you have anything to say? Okay.
Nothing sweeter than the bitter taste of you. And the bitter taste of
you. Also, it's currently 12:15 right now. बटन मैंने खाया भाई. are here. Like we have reached the hotel, the room. We waited for good 15 to 20 minutes to room because the guests were the guests just checked out and the cleaning part was going on. So we just waited downstairs. The cleaning part is still going on, kind of. We are almost here. Let me show you guys the view. So this is how the view looks like. We just reached the hotel, basically the room. Hotel though we have reached way earlier, but we waited for the cleaning part. Cleaning part was going on here. So we have reached the room as well. Let me give you guys a room tour, like a quick room tour. Okay guys, so this is basically the entrance and this is how the room looks like. This is the another room. This is the small mirror here, and then we've put our bags here. Basically, I think this is something, I don't know, we have not opened it yet. From here, I guess, the window. This is the bed, and yeah, it's pretty simple. I mean, the rooms are pretty simple, and anyway, I'm liking it. And here is the washroom. Also, I was editing a video. Basically, the editing part is done. I just need to upload it, and I think I'll just take a rest for now for some while, and then we'll change and head outside, maybe like in the market or somewhere. I don't know exactly, but hello. Heading out to eat something and basically just roam around. Okay, so basically just roam around and eat something, and yeah, let's go. So basically this is the view from outside the hotel. Like we just head out and this is the view. Hi, so it's the day 1 of our breakfast in Manali. So we ordered some parathas and some fried rice and a little bit of in the drinks. I ordered a coffee which was quite not good, to be honest. It was like I'm just finishing it off and that's it. After we done with the breakfast, we came here to explore the mall road and we explored a bit. Like we spent good of a 1 hour, I guess. So we are done eating and we just came here at Mall Road to explore. There are various kind of shops and places, and the view of the mountain is just so good.
Bed you gave me, I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause I still smell you in the bed you used to rest your head on. How the hell am I supposed to sleep? Can we both face our demons? Can we change like the seasons? I wanna make her better, wipe the makeup from her face. I wish I hadn't met her. I wish I didn't wanna say. I wanna wear her sweater. There's nothing sweeter than the bitter taste of you.
Now we're done, like we explored Mall Road a bit and now we are at this garden. I don't remember the name of this garden. So we are just, roaming around here. I think there are quite few activities going on here, like photo shoot and, picking up that rabbit. That was literally so soft, the rabbit. Kaku?
Now I'm drunk on Chardonnay that I bought for our picnic day, and we never got to drink it. So I'm writing what I'm thinking you could have told me sooner. I was sure that
उसकी आती अच्छी, उसकी आती अच्छी, मेरी नहीं आती.
what's the reason for your tears and what's the reason for your
Dad is
fears?
doing his photo shoot right over there. I mean, he's so much into, taking photographs, making videos and stuff. Like me, I would say. I think his genes are there into me. But anyways, so he's like clicking his pictures. My sister is clicking his pictures. And you know what? He's that strict in pictures and all. There should be the right angle. It should be, with the right angle, with the right pose. People should not be there. Everything. He take care of everything. And yeah, he's so much particular in that. Hi guys, good evening. So it's like currently 7:14 in the evening right now. We like slept for good 2-3 hours, I guess. And also my brother got injured. Like, I'll tell you the story later. But now we need to get ready to head out. So wait, let me show you what all I got and I'll be choosing from one of them. Okay, let me show you guys. This option with me, this dress as well as another option. This. Hi all, so this is what I'm wearing. This is how the dress looks like. Especially about this dress, I like the front part because like this bow thing, I like this thing very much. So now let's get to the makeup part. Applied some foundation and waiting for her to do the blending part and then I'll do, because we have only one. I use this lip balm as a tint or blush, you can say. I am all ready. Yes, this is what I'm wearing, and yeah, I'm wearing boots at the bottom. Yes, let's go. I'm back and it's around 9:30 and I can't tell you guys how much these boots were definitely a huge mistake. I mean, I was literally like facing very trouble walking. I'm not going to wear these anymore, like never. I think this is it for the day one, I guess. Day one in Manali.